You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, we're going over how to arrange or view your iPhone photos by date. Let's get straight into it. Start by opening the Photos app on your iPhone. Swipe down just a bit and you'll see 4 main views across the top: years, months, days, and all photos. These sections automatically organize your pictures by when they were taken using the date captured. It's a quick way to zoom in or out of your photo timeline and navigate your photo history with just a few taps. If you're in the All Photos view, your pictures will be sorted by date captured. That means the actual date the photo was taken, based on its metadata. This is the default behavior and applies to most of the built-in albums like Recents and Favorites. You can't change the sorting order or rearrange photos manually in these views. However, if you create your own custom album, things work a bit differently. Inside a custom album, you'll see a sort button in the bottom left corner. It looks like 2 arrows. Tap that and you'll get to choose whether to sort by date captured or by date added. Date captured, again, refers to when the photo was taken. Date added is based on when it was saved to your device, which is great if you're working with screenshots, downloads, or older imports. And if you want full control over the order of photos, custom albums also let you manually drag photos around. Just tap edit in the album and rearrange them however you like. That's how photo sorting works on iPhone. Whether you care about when the picture was taken or just when it was added, there's a way to view and organize your gallery to fit your needs. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you later.